Hi guys, welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today we're gonna cook venison Salisbury steak. So for this recipe you will need beef broth, salt and pepper, Cajun's all-purpose Greek seasoning, and onion powder, olive oil, and flour. And of course, venison. For the ones who may not know, venison is deer meat, yes. Let's get started. To start off, you're gonna take your ground venison and put it in a bowl. And you're gonna take and you're gonna mix as your salt, okay, add your pepper, next you want to add your onion powder, and your all-purpose Greek seasoning. If I can get it open. Okay. And you want to combine all those ingredients. You want to mix them very well. Now that we have added our seasonings, I'm gonna put this in a shallow pan so that you guys can see what I'm doing a little bit better. So now that we have added our season, one ingredient that I am going to add that I didn't mention in the beginning of the video is I have a chopped onion I'm going to add. It's not required, but I'm going to add it. Just a chopped onion, and you mix that up in there. And you just work it in. Okay. All right. Next, you're gonna take about a fistful, and you're gonna roll it out and make patties. Like that. And just set it on a plate or something. And repeat. to our cast iron pan. You don't need a whole lot. About a tablespoon or two. And on medium heat, so I have my eye on 5. So I'm gonna give it time to warm up. Our olive oil has heated up, so I'm just gonna add my patties. And you want to cook your patties until they are brown on one side before you flip them. So we're just gonna see, are they brown? They're nice and brown on that side. So you're just gonna flip them and cook them until they brown on the other side. And it's okay if they're not done all the way, because we're gonna have to cook them later on. So you're going to allow this side to brown. Now that they have brown on that side, you're going to just take your patties up and set them to the side in a plate, a tray, or whatever you have. And you're going to add your additional patties. And you're going to allow them to brown. Now that our other side has browned, we're just going to take them up. Next, after taking your patties out, you want to leave your olive oil and your remains in here, and you want to take your flour. I would suggest turn your eye down on 3 and take your flour and I'm going to add probably about 2 to 3 spoons. You want to blend it in really good. We'll start off with 2 spoons for now. Just work it in. Get you a fork and just work it in. Yep, like that. Make sure you get all the lumps out. It's turning brown. That's what you want. Then we're going to add another spoon. Work that in. After that's working, you want to take your beef broth. Just going to shake it up and open it. And you want to pour it over in there slowly. So pour a little at a time. Work that in. See, it's turning to gravy. It's getting thick. That's what you want. Pour a little more. Just pour a little at a time until you get the desired amount of gravy that you want. And if it's too loose, you can always add another spoon of flour. So the flour, it makes it thick. So if you like loosely gravy, you know, you can add more chicken broth. If you want more of a thicker gravy, you add more flour. So I'm going to turn my eye back up to about, let's do 4, from 3 to 4. Because I want to bring my gravy to like a boil. I'm going to add a little more chicken broth. Spatula and scrape the sides. Okay. And stir that in. I'm gonna add a little more flour. A little bit too loose for me. There. Stir that in. Now that our gravy is coming to a boil, that's what you want. So you're just gonna take and add your you can taste it and see if it's salty enough for you. If not, you can add salt or pepper to it. But I'm gonna add my patties in here and I'm gonna let that simmer for about 10-15 minutes. Get as many in here as you possibly can. I got all of them in there but one. So I might be able to get that one in here. There we go. So we're just gonna allow that to simmer for about 10-15 minutes. And then we'll flip them over. It's been another 10 minutes and the patties has cooked for 10 minutes on each side. And that's it. You just allow them to simmer. I'm gonna turn my eye off now. And as they sit in the gravy, it will thicken up. But there you have it. Venison Salisbury steak. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe of my venison Salisbury steak. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.